Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram search not showing post and reels problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store and then click on Search app. Now search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now open Instagram and then click on search option. Now here you will see a new plus icon. From now, if you want to find a post or reel, you will have to click here and search. Just click on plus icon and then search your favorite topic that you want to see and see post and reels are showing now.